MEG 15 कंपैरेटिव पोइट्री, आप बोलो कंपैरेटिव लिटरेचर बोलो पोइट्री बोलो, पोइट्री को डिफाइन करना है तो वी नीड टू स्पीक अबाउट भक्ति पॉम्स। यस, भक्ति पॉम्स इसको पोइट्री बोलते हैं, कॉन्सेप्ट एक ही है, करने वाला कुछ अलग नहीं है। अब यहाँ पे आज हमने बात की सर भक्ति पोइट्री को कई स्टूडेंट बार बार मैसेज कर रहे हैं, एक दीपक करके एक स्टूडेंट लगातार मैसेज कर रहा है सर भक्ति पोइट्री प्लीज बताओ आप, जिसके अंदर आप ना क्वेश्चंस को वर्ड टू वर्ड बता दो। सो here I am having the Bhakti Poems with me, सीरीज कंप्लीट भक्ति पॉम्स है, सारी की सारी यहाँ डिस्कस करना। क्लास थोड़ी सी बड़ी होगी स्लाइटली, आई प्रेफर द शॉर्ट्स नाउ डेज के बच्चे शॉर्ट्स में काम कर लें, लेकिन अब ये वीडियो मुझे बनानी ही पड़ेगी क्योंकि अगर मेरे को वर्ड टू वर्ड बताना है आई नीड टू मेंशन ईच एंड एवरी पोएट्री। तो यहाँ पे जो भी बच्चे जा रहे हैं एमईजी 15 के एग्जाम के लिए, गाइस दिस इज समथिंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट जो पेपर में कंफर्म आएगा, 100% आएगा। एंड यू नीड टू नो कि यार कैसे करना है, करने का तरीका क्या होगा, पेपर कैसे करना है। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दिस। द फर्स्ट आप बोलते हो सर हमें भक्ति पोएट्स याद कर लेने, सबसे पहले करो लाला। आई रिपीट, लाला पोएट फ्रॉम कश्मीर। इसकी 3 पोएट्रीज हैं, तीनों की तीनों बहुत छोटी पोएट्रीज हैं, तीनों की तीनों बहुत छोटी पोएट्रीज हैं, आपको ऑन टिप होनी चाहिए। आपने कहा द फर्स्ट पोएट्री आई वाज पैशनेट फॉलोड बाय अ थाउजेंड टाइम माय गुरु आई आस्क्ड एंड द लास्ट इज दे विल बी इरेज्ड इन नाइट। यस, दे विल बी इरेज्ड इन नाइट। तो ये पोएट्रीज आपको ऑन टिप पहुंची ताकि आप इनके कॉन्सेप्ट को समझ पाओ, यू बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि क्या पोएट्री, उसके कॉन्सेप्ट क्या होंगे, कैसे क्लियर कर सकते हो और आप कैसे मैक्सिमम नंबर लेके आओगे इस टेक्स्ट में। टेक्स्ट को याद रखना यार, एक्सप्लेन मैं कर देता हूं आपको। Here I was passionate, filled with a longing. I searched far and wide, but the day that truthful one found me, I was at home. कह रहा भाई भगवान को जब ढूंढते हो ना तो आप हर जगह ढूंढते हो अपने अंदर छोड़ के। The God will be there inside you. You need not search here everywhere. कुछ होता है हिंदी में बोलते हैं ढूंढन मैं चला मिला मुझे कोई सॉर्ट आउट। That is the saying of this poetry. उसने भगवान को हर जगह ढूंढा, he tried to find God everywhere, पर उसके खुद के अंदर था। Here he mentioned the linings. I was passionate, filled with longing. I searched far and wide, but the day that truthful one found me, I was at home. Yes, he was at his home. तो ये पहली पोएट्री है, I was passionate. I repeat, I was passionate. The bhakti poetry, that is the most important one, जो आपको on tip होनी चाहिए. Come to the next one. A thousand times my guru I asked. A thousand times my guru I asked. Here I'm saying this. A thousand times my guru I asked, how shall the nameless be defined? I asked and asked all, but in vain. The nameless unknown, it seems to me, it is the source of something we see. It's the source of something we see. So what about, again it's all about God. Again it's about something that don't have a name. Again it's about something that exists everywhere, but seen by none. डिफाइन करता है, कॉन्सेप्ट को क्लियर करता है, आपको एक एक चीज ऑन टिप पहुंची। आप बोलते हो आई थाउजेंड टाइम आई आस्क्ड माय गुरु अबाउट इट। तो गुरु यू नो द फॉलोअर्स योर मास्टर, मे बी यू कनेक्टेड विद योर गुरु, तो उसको डिफाइन करता है। एक बार दोबारा इसकी लाइन सुन लेना, दोस हु डोंट हैव दैट भक्ति पोएट्रीज गाइस प्लीज डू रेफर द थिंग्स और यू हैव टू गेट द नोट्स। हियर a thousand times my guru I asked, how shall the nameless be defined? I asked and asked, but all in vain. The nameless unknown, it seems to me, is the source of something we see. Is the source of something we see. Come to third poetry. Day will be erased in night. I repeat, day will be erased in night. Day will be erased in night. The ground surface will extend outward. The new moon will be swelled. Say it's swallowed, not swelled. Day will be erased in night, the ground surface and extend outward. The new moon will be swelled in eclipse and the mind in meditation and will be completely absorbed by the void inside it. What close could be so beautiful or most accurate? Sir, define करता है again your connection with the God. तो ये तीनों poetries कहीं ना कहीं हमें connect करती हैं, whether the first one, second one और third one. तो लाला कहीं ना कहीं डिफाइन करता है अपनी पूरी पोएट्री को, कॉन्सेप्ट को क्लियर करता है, एंड यू गेट टू नो यार आई वाज पैशनेट 1000 times my guru I asked and the day will be rich night. 3 are the masterpiece by लाला. Come to next मीराबाई. मीराबाई का जितना नाम सुना है उतना ही आपने इसको पढ़ा भी होगा. And when you talk about मीराबाई तो you know about her writing. It is all devoted to Lord Krishna. आप बोलते हो when you will come, yeah, that's really important. When will you come? The poetry that is really important, and you really need to understand this. When will you come? I send letters to my beloved, to the dear Krishna. Letters भेजे मैंने seriously to my beloved, the dear Krishna, but it sends no message or reply. किसी तरह कोई reply नहीं किया. But it sends no message to reply, purposely preserving silence. ऐसा जैसे खुद ही purposefully silence को create कर रहा है. I sweep the path of readiness and gaze till my eyes turn bloodshot. I have no peace by night or day. My heart is fit to break. Oh, my master, you were my companion former birth. When will you come? God is your companion. Yes, Mirabai. Mirabai treat Lord Krishna as a companion. अब वहां उनको बुला रही है, वो एड्रेस कर रही है, like you've been calling your lover. It's something very very important. You need to understand it कि कैसे करेंगे, करने का तरीका क्या होगा. So I hope it been clear. Come to next one, the dark dweller in Braj. I repeat, listen carefully. This is something very important. The dark dweller in Braj. Again, Lord Krishna. Braj सुनते हैं समझ आता है. The dark dweller in Braj is my only refuge, oh my companion. Worldly comfort is an illusion. A line, please याद रखना, guys. Worldly comfort is an illusion. As soon as you get it, it goes. I have chosen the indestructible for my refuge. I have chosen the indestructible for my refuge. Him whom the snake of death will devour. Him whom the snake of death will devour. My beloved dwells in my heart. My beloved dwells in my heart. I have actually seen the abode of my Mira's Lord in Hari. This is the line that will come in your paper. कह रहा है, I have actually seen the abode of my jaws, Mira's Lord in Hari, and indestructible my Lord, indestructible my Lord, I have taken refuge with thee, thy slave. This is the dark dweller in Braj. Yes, you're going to get everything in clear. आपके concept भी होंगे पूरे समझ आएंगे यहाँ पे जिनको आप deal करते हो. The next one, breakable or unbreakable, oh Lord. कहता unbreakable, oh Lord, is the love that binds me to you. Is the love that binds me to you. Like a diamond, it breaks the hammer that strikes it. He tried to say something. Kera, is the love that binds me to you. Like a diamond, it breaks the hammer that strikes it. My heart goes into you as the polish goes into gold. As the lotus lives in its water, I live in you. Yes, rhyming scheme check कर सकते हो guys आप. As a lotus, I repeat. कहता, my heart goes into you as a polish goes into the gold, as the lotus lives in the water, I live in you, like the bird that gazes all night at the passing moon, I have lost myself dwelling in you, oh my beloved, return. Please come back. It was been the mention that rule been mentioned by the मीराबाई. तो यहाँ लॉर्ड कृष्ण को डिफाइन करेगी, प्लीज वापस आ जाओ. तो दो पोएट्रीज दोनों कनेक्ट करती हैं. पहला पोएट आपने लाला पढ़ा, सेकंड आपने मीराबाई को पढ़ा. दोनों कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं, दोनों एक लाइवली एग्जांपल दे रहे हैं, so that you be able to understand each and every norm. Come to the next one, बुल्ले शाह. You must have heard the song बुल्ले शाह. बुल्ले में जाऊं कौन शॉर्ट ऑफ गाना है. It is a private album, almost 10 years back it was came. Again, that entire song was being based on this particular poetry, बुल्ला की जाने. उसकी शायद लाइनें भी है, गूगल कर सकते हो, गाना मिल जाएगा आप लोगों को. हे बुल्ला की जाना, बुल्ला आई नो नॉट हु एम आई. लाइंस भी हैं जो पोइट्री है वहां. बुल्ला आई नो नॉट हु एम आई, नॉट अ बिलीवर इनसाइड द मॉस्क एम आई. Yes, I'm not a believer and I'm inside the mosque. Am I not a peasant discipline of the false rites, not the pure agment or impure, neither Moses nor Pharaoh? Bulla, I know not who am I. Not in holy Vedas. Yes, he is not in holy Vedas. Am I not in opium, neither in wine, not in drunkard craze, neither awake nor in sleeping days? Bulla, I know not who am I, in happiness nor in sorrow. In happiness nor in sorrow am I. Neither clean nor a fleeting mind, nor the water nor the earth, neither fire nor the air is my birth. Bulla, I know not who am I. Not an Arab, not Lahori, not Hindi, not Nagori, Hindu, Turk, Muslim, not Peshawari, nor do I live in London. Bulla, I know not who am I. Secret of religion I have not known. From Adam and Eve I have not born. I am not the name I assume, not in stillness nor the move. Bulla I know, not who am I. I'm the first, I'm the last. None have I ever known. I'm the wisest them all. Bulla I do stand I alone. This is the perfect example of bhakti poetry that has been given by Bulle Shah. So guys, this is something he had passed out the message that God is really, there's no need for the religion for God. God is above all this. You people carry the religion along with you. God need not to have any religion. He is the one. He is the one only alone. तो वो हर जगह है सबके लिए. तो उसको डिफाइन करता है. The message was very clear. So बुल्ला की जाने is one of the most dominant poetry जो पेपर में आएगी. आप बोलते हो दास, मीराबाई एंड देन बुल्ले शाह. अभी आएगा कबीर बी रेडी. नेक्स्ट पोएट्री तेरा इश्क नचाए. When you're crazy about God, seriously, you see people start dancing anywhere. You must have seen the people, those who are Hare Krishna, Hare Rama. क्या बोलते हैं ना, I don't get all these people. कुछ होते हैं ये हरे कृष्णा हरे राम वाले, ये कहीं भी डांस करते हैं because they believe in their God. And that's really good. कहीं ना कहीं आप connect कर पाते हो. You be able to connect with these people because they just have connection with the God. And they can do whatever they want to do and they don't care about the place. That is the clear message being given by the poet in this story or the poetry. Tera ishq nachaye. Falling in love with you was like taking a sip of poison. Come, my healer, forsake, I'm sad. Now, your love, you made me dance like mad. The sun has set its flush only left. I'll give my life for the glimpse of you. My fault, I come not when you bade. I come not when you bade. Here it says. Your love has made, yes, your love has made me dance like mad, dissuade me not from the path of love. Who can hold the boat on the move? Stupid, I joined the boatman's squad. Your love had made me dance like mad. A peacock calls in a glow of passion. It's Qibla, I repeat. It's Qibla, it's Kaaba, where lies my love. You asked not once after you stabbed. Your love has made me dance like mad. Bulle Shah sits as a Inayat's door, who was dressed me in a green and red, and caught me instant I flew from the pad. Your love has made me dance like mad. So this is the perfect bhakti poetry by Bulle Shah. Number 1, Lala. Number 2, Mirabai. Number 3, Bulle Shah. Number 4, Sant Tukaram. Sant Tukaram. If you've not heard this name, I must say, guys, you must read Sant Tukaram. वो कहता है मैं पोइट हूं क्योंकि गॉड चाहता है मैं पोइट बनूं. I'm writing the poetry because God ordered me to write down more than 10,000 poetries. He was doing something else and one day while he taking dream, he would just wake up and start writing a poetry. उससे पहले उसने कभी पोइट्री लिखी नहीं थी, but he start writing poetry after that day. That makes him believe, yes, this is something very important. So you guys need to understand this. What is the bhakti poetry? So Sant Tukaram for you guys. God bids Tukaram to become a poet. God ने बोला था भाई तुकाराम को कि तू पोइट बन जा. I was sleeping from the Namdev and Vittal stepped into my dream. Your job is to make poems. Stop wasting time. Namdev said, Vittal, give me the measure and gently amuse me for the dream inside a dream. Namdev vowed to write 1 billion poems to Ka, all unwritten. Once are your responsibility. Yes, it's your job. You have to write down poetry. तो उसको लिखनी पड़ेगी, उसकी जॉब है वो. It was a message from the God. I hope poetry पूरी clear होगी. चलो यार, come to the next one. Directed by God to serve him as a poet. फिर बोल रहा है कि God का direction था. I need to serve as a poet. Words are the only jewels I possess. Words are the only clothes that I wear. So words see serious jewels हैं, words see clothes हैं जो पहनता है. तो उसका words है ना, words को use करेगा. Words are the only food and sustain my life. Words are the only wealth I distribute among the people. Says Tuka, witness the words. Now he is God. I worship him and my words. मैं तो खाली उसी को worship करता हूँ. And my words. So this is something very important. Come on, next one. Hungering for the divine. I repeat, hungering for the divine. I'm not saved for the want of food, but in Janardana and deserve my reverence. I love looked on God as who sees everything, on being the dark days alike. God is like a father with his child, who both feels the gift pleasure at the same time. God acts as a bad acts vanish. Tuka says, God glory alone is left. Again here Tuka says, पहली पोइट्री गॉड ने और पोइट्री लिख, दूसरी पोइट्री उसने बोला मेरे पास सिर्फ वर्ड्स हैं जिनको यूज करता हूं. थर्ड, it just said कि God is everything. Every glory belongs to God. So those who are having problem with the bhakti poetry, I hope this video find you in a good position कि यार आप आराम से क्लियर कर लोगे. You have the text. If you want to join the crash course, you can join the crash course, have the notes to crack the paper easily. ये मैं कर सकता हूँ, उसके लिए नंबर मेरा आ रहा है आपको. You can do that. Online classes, crash course and notes are not free dear. YouTube videos सीरीज ही आप लोगों के लिए हैं, उसके लिए आप खाली चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करेंगे and access all the videos. Come to next one, the next poet, Kabir. A big fan of Kabir. Yes, I am. कहता आए जब मैं जब भूला भाई. एक्चुअली इस पोएट्री का नाम है मैं जब भूला. कबीर के दोहे आप लोग सुनते आ रहे बचपन से. From your early days, you start listening Kabir dohas. So come to the point here. Oh brother, when I was forgotten, my true Guru showed me the way. That I left all the rites and ceremonies. I bathed no more in a holy water. Then I learned that it was I alone who was made, and the whole world beside me was sane. And I had disturbed these wise people from the time I fought. I knew no more how to roll the dust in obeisance. I do not ring the temple bell. Please listen carefully. These lines are really important. Paper में आती हैं. These lines definitely come in a paper. I do not ring the temple bell. I do not set the idol on its throne. I do not worship the image with the flowers. मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. मैंने बेल नहीं बजाई. मैंने कोई आइडल को कहीं रखा नहीं. मैंने कोई फ्लावर्स नहीं लगाए भगवान के आगे. It is the oceans now that mortify the flesh which are pleasing to the Lord. When you leave off your clothes and kill your senses, you do not please the Lord. The man who is kind and who practices rightness, who remains passive amidst the affair of the world, who consider all creatures on earth as oneself, he attains the immortal being. The true God is ever with him. Kabir says, he attained the true name whose words are pure and who is free from the pride and conceit. Yes, conceit. This is something we guys need to clear. So I hope now the bhakti poetry is being clear to you. You guys know what is bhakti poetry and how to do it. छोटे सा कुछ ग्लिम्स देता हूँ आप लोगों ने MAG 15 की तैयारी करने के काम आएंगे. सबसे पहले भक्ति पोएट्री को टिप करना है कि ये वो क्वेश्चन जो कंफर्म एग्जाम में आएगा. You don't have any other choice. You have to do the first question, and that do belongs to भक्ति पोएट्री. उसके बाद हमारे पास आते चोलास धर्म गोदान. डेफिनेटली गोदान बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, वो आपको आना चाहिए, मतलब हर तरह से आना चाहिए. पराजा, द स्टोरी ऑफ पराजा कंफर्म पेपर में क्वेश्चन आएगा. यू नीड टू डू द अमर जीवन. पेपर में कंफर्म है, किसी भी हाल में आना ही आना है अमर जीवन. जंप टू नेक्स्ट वन. आपके दिमाग में आता सर अमर जीवन हो गया, रीटेलिंग महाभारत से क्वेश्चन आएगा ही आएगा. हरिश्चंद्राबाई देवी का क्वेश्चन आना ही आना है. मतलब नो इफ नो बट ये पेपर में होगा. आप और कुछ मत करो, इनको करके चले जाओ यार. यू बी एबल टू गेट योर ड्रीम मार्क्स. Catch you very soon with a new video. Till then, like, share, and subscribe if you think it's worth to watch. Bye, guys.